Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut Pro for free. So this is not a clickbait and this is not a spam or a fraud. So if you want to get a CapCut Pro for free, you just need to invite your friends. So as you guys can see here, I don't have a CapCut Pro. And if you want to get the CapCut Pro for free, you can see this is the invite friends options. You can just tap on this and you can see this is where you can get CapCut Pro for free. So you can just invite friends to get a free pro. For each friend that install and launches CapCut Desktop from your invite link, you will both get a 7-day free pro. So you can if you get a pro for free, you can enjoy pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and also desktop. But you need to log in into the same account, and you can get up to 7 days of free pro by inviting 10 friends. So you can invite 10 friends, and if they use the CapCut from your invite link, you can get this free pro and no credit card required, no auto renewal. You can just click on this copy invite link, and link is copy. You can just share it with your friends. You can share it on Facebook, on Instagram, WhatsApp, or any other social media that you use. And in here, if they already use the CapCut from your invite link, you'll get this days of pro. You can see it in here, and how many friends that you've invited, you can see it in here. So that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.